Hello everyone, this is Aki from Aki's Garage. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are repairing the common issue on BMW and MINI cars. As you can see, I have a FRM module here. When the FRM gets corrupted after low battery, jump start or programming, you will lose windows, light and indicator. I will show you how I repair the FRM module using CG100 and quickly bring everything back to the life. So let's get started. You just go 1, 2 and 1 click here as well. Yeah, let me do the wiring diagram. Alright guys, I done all the wiring pin out and I connect the 12 volt on it. So let me just point my camera right here. As you can see, this is the actual adapter we need, and that one is the wiring diagram pin out, and we just say start. As you can see, guys, it's just reading the D flash on the EEPROM, and we just save this one on my desktop. Save. So save file successfully, and now it's gonna ask me to repair. We're gonna say yes. Now it's writing the EEPROM on chip. Checking the EEPROM, repairing, succeed. So we press OK. So I'm gonna just disconnect my cable here and just disconnect everything. Now everything back to the normal. So I'm going to just put the back cover back, so everything is sorted. That's how you repair the FRM module on BMW and MINI cars. And once you repair the software, so obviously you don't need to do any coding and programming, just plug and play. And that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope there is some information for someone, and like always, thank you very much for watching.